I wasn't going to put these repairing these hay dogs on YouTube, but they're so, it's going to be such a job that I decided to do it because they're all rusted and frozen solid, 3 of them. This one, and this one. And this one, I was able to move this nail. I can't move it with my finger, but I moved it. But these, you can't move these. Everything's just totally frozen up. Totally frozen up. And so it's one of those funny things about a handyman job or mechanic job that you can see clearly exactly how it works, all the parts and everything. But since it's stuck, that makes it difficult. So it would be easy if it wasn't stuck, but it's stuck. And I'm going to go ahead and one thing I already did, I put the fire on it, which is kind of funny because I got all this straw sitting right there, but I put the fire on it and I burned away some of the dust, and bug just got in my eye. But I didn't really, and you know, got a little bit hot, but not hot enough to make any difference. So I usually, well, I've got the WD-40 here, and I actually used it. I haven't had any luck with actually loosen rusty parts. I haven't had any luck with that. But I did wash it all. I did wash this whole mechanism here off with liquid wrench and just cleaned it off, you know, a couple years ago now. And some of these Zerks didn't work. But anyway, so the dogs. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this. I'm going to go ahead and paint this liquid wrench on there. And I don't expect it'll actually do very much, but it might allow us to see and clean it a little bit. I don't know. Maybe it'll loosen that spring a little bit. I don't know. We'll try it and see what it does. We'll see if it does anything. What was I going to say? Oh, so it looks to me, I think I'm going to have to cut this off front and back. Cut this pin off front and back, or at least back. Try back first and then see if you can get it out. But like I say, I can't even twist it, so it's unlikely. I think I'll have to probably cut it front and back and then knock that pin out. I'll have to get it cut close enough that it won't obstruct that pin going back out. That's my plan. I'll probably have to use a Dremel to get in there. I'll show you now. Can you see it? Alright, so I'm putting some force on it. See, it flexes. It flexes, but it doesn't move. Oop, or did it move? I don't think it moved. I think it's just flexing. Try this one. I don't think it's now that I just now hit that because yesterday I hit this nail and it moved. But see, now it's not moving now. Because it was hot or what? Or maybe it just bent. It didn't really work. So everything's stuck. That's the point. Shows how stuck it is. I think I'm gonna, besides cutting those off, I'm gonna have to get that real hot, I think, which would be interesting with all this straw around. I've been using this plumber's torch That's not enough. I'm gonna have to get the cutting torch out, I think. This isn't real bright, I suppose, but I have water pretty close by. Ooh, I think it moved. It moved. I got this tool. Let's see if this will get it out. That would be cool. This tool I bought, I used it on a different job that I showed you before. Let's see if that'll do it. Oh, that would be so cool. Oh. I think it thought it moved. Gonna need water, I guess. Yeah, it moved. It moved. It moved. But it doesn't want to jerk out yet. But it did move. Yeah. That other pin's moving a little bit without even heating it. But I think they both, it looks like they don't go straight through the hole. It looks like they both take a town turn. And that's what's holding me back. I think the easiest thing is to cut it. Cut it with a Dremel. We'll have to get the power out here. You'd think there would have been a washer on there instead of just that pin. I don't know if I've already done this, but I got these dogs working without, I didn't take them apart. Just kept pouring the liquid wrench on them and wiggling them. That one's pretty good. This one's, the springs broke. It's part of the problem. Right there you might be able to see the springs broke, but it does move. And this one works pretty good. And then there's two on the bottom I hadn't even noticed before. And they already were working. Put a little liquid wrench on. Ah, it wasn't working, now it won't move. I wonder if that thing's hitting it. Yeah, it moves. It's just got a strong spring.